kids. Yes, this is Shipra with the DIY activities for Yellow class. So, as we all say, let us learn to fly high with Yellow class DIY. Today, we are going to make this tissue roll fox. So, this is made out of the leftover tissue paper roll, and we are going to make this nice fox. So you just need to follow the instructions, and kids, Shipra will help you to make this beautiful fox. So let me tell you what all things do you need. I need this tissue paper roll, which is an empty roll I have taken once the tissue was over. One A4 size sheet I have divided into equal half. It was a complete full A4 size sheet. A thin sheet will also do. And I have cut it into 2 equal halves. The white color sheet I have taken from my leftover work, which is I will use for the face and for the nose. Then dark black color sketch pen, pencil, scissor, and glue. So this is all what we need for our DIY activity, where we are going to make this fox, the scary fox, the fox with big eyes, the big eye fox. So what we are going to do, let me just quickly tell you, it's quite simple. We will take this tissue roll and we will rotate our sheet on this. We are going to cover it. So what we are going to do, we are just simply going to apply very less glue here. Put our tissue roll here and we'll start sticking. Basically, we are folding it the way we cover anything. Yes. So we'll again do it. We'll do it little tight. And once we reach here, I will again apply glue. This is done. We'll stick it. Just wait for a few seconds so that it sticks properly. Once it is done, we don't need to apply any glue here. We are not going to cut it. We are just simply going to fold it, kids. Fold it properly inside. Yes, simply properly inside, you can fold it. Simply just fold it. Once this is done, what you have to do, this is your front side. The portion which is little neat and clean, which has the ends better, you can just start pushing it inside from here like this. Again, push it from the other side. It is quite easy, kids. It is not at all difficult. It's quite easy. Just press it like this. Just press it like this and push it inside. And so the ears of your fox is ready. So we have done it. It's simply, we are not sticking it. We are not doing anything else. So this is your front side and this is the ears. Now we are going to make the stomach and we are going to make the eyes. So for the eyes, what I'm going to do, I am just going to fold it like this, a sheet of white color. Fold it like this and we draw big eyes like a leaf. So it's a half C or a leaf like this. We will draw it properly. I will cut it and the other side also. The one which I have not drawn, I will also draw it once I will cut this. Simply cut it because it's a big eye fox. Okay, so we'll keep it like this nicely and We will cut from here also. Yes. Again, this is the portion. I will draw the outline for the eyes here also. Taking care of the thickness, that the thickness on both the eyes remains same. So this is the eye. Now we need to make the stomach. So for the stomach, it's again a simple fold I have done like this, and I will make a big U. So I am making a big U and a zigzag. So now let me see if it comes out too big. I might reduce the size. So this is here. I'm feeling it is quite big, or is it's fine also, and I will just cut the V like this. So we remove the V. So this is the stomach of the fox. This is this. The eyes are there, and we need to make these smaller eyes also. So what I'm going to do, I will again take this folded portion, the leftover sheet only, and I will draw a small normal size circle, and I will cut it. If you feel you don't want to do it, just draw circle, and inside a black color circle you can draw. And so this is the black color I am giving. This. And I will let it dry for some time, the sketch pen. Until the time this is ready, let me quickly make the tail of this. So for the tail also, we are going to first make the tail with this. What you have to simply do is draw a big leaf kind of a thing. So I have drawn a leaf. I'm going to show you again. Just simply draw a leaf kind of a thing, a big leaf kind of a thing, and cut it. So what I'm doing, I'm simply first cutting it roughly, and then I will give that shape. So now I am giving that shape. And same way, I'm going to take this and I will draw a small white color leaf like this. Again, I will cut it randomly. Because once you cut it randomly, then it becomes easy to give the shape, kids. So that's why I have first cut it randomly. Just giving a shape of a leaf without the center line. So now this extra part Then I will stick this on my this way. I am going to just stick it on this. So applying glue, and I will simply stick it on the tail. We'll give again the outline. I'm removing the extra stuff. We'll again give the outline with the black sketch pen. So with the help of the black sketch pen, you can give the shape to the tail also. So now the tail is also done. We'll give the outline to this stomach also. And we will now just simply stick it. So I hope the instructions are clear. They are quite easy. Just simply follow the instructions and you will be able to make it. Okay. So I will apply glue here. Okay, we need to make the nose also. Just take care that. Taking it into the center, I have sticked it properly. Press it nicely. It will take little time to stick, but it will. Then stick those eyes here. First, we'll stick these eyes here, placing it like this, like this, little like this, and like this. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll apply glue here, and very little glue in the just by. Okay, as I've told you, this is a big eye fox, so this has got big eyes. In the center, we will stick this circle, which was the eyes. Again, we'll stick the eyes here. So this is done. Now, till the time this will stick, we will stick it little here also, so that it doesn't move here and there. Okay, even here also. Little glue on both the eyes at the top so that it sticks properly. Then we will stick the tail. So for the tail, it's going to be like this. We'll just apply glue here. Very less glue, and we'll stick it somewhere at the end like this. Here and at the end in the center, and we'll press it. So, little on the top, in the center, and the tail of the fox is also ready. See. Now we have to make the nose. So for the nose again, I will take a small round like this. I will circle it nicely, and I will color it. I will cut it. So first I have cut it roughly, then I will give the final touches. So I have given the final touches now. And the nose is also ready. And so we'll stick it in the center. Just take care that, yes. And in the center we'll place it. So our two fox with big eyes are ready. What I have done, I have given two small circles here also in the eyes. You want to give that, you can do that. If you don't want to give that, that's two small, very thin circles like this. So I've again folded my paper and I will cut it. And then I will do the final touching. So this is basically very small, which if you want to do it, it's fine. If you want to leave it, then also kids, it's completely fine. It's going to look good otherwise also. So what I have done, now very less glue and I have sticked in. Very less glue and I have sticked it in. So this way our two big eye fox are ready. So I hope kids, the instructions were clear. It was quite easy. You can just keep those tissue paper rolls and you can make beautiful things out of it. This is a big eye fox we have made with a tail. I hope you have liked it. So it's time to say bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video. And we are going to meet soon. So bye from Shipra and bye from Yellow Class. Okay, kids. Love you.